A lot of people never notice this. When Iron Man and War Machine land side by side, their landing shots are completely different. When Iron Man lands, the camera is usually much steadier, and the metallic sound is lighter. But every time War Machine slams into the ground, the camera noticeably shakes, and the impact sound feels much heavier. Iron Man represents high-tech personal combat equipment, while War Machine was built from the very beginning as a pure heavy firepower weapon. In Iron Man 2, the armor Rhodey first wore was actually one of Tony's older models. Back then, Rhodey put on the suit and fought Tony right at his birthday party. Afterward, Rhodey took the armor back to the Air Force Base and officially handed it over to the military. That gave Justin Hammer his chance. Once he took over the modifications, he went crazy stacking heavy weapons onto the suit. Machine guns, missiles, grenade launchers, basically anything that could be mounted got added. By the time Iron Man 3 came around, War Machine's name had been changed to Iron Patriot. The entire suit looked more like an American hero, but the problem was that the armor's promotional value mattered far more than its actual combat effectiveness. So when the extremist soldiers attacked, Rhodey could only watch helplessly as the armor was taken from him. In Avengers: Age of Ultron, War Machine finally received a true upgrade. This time, Tony personally customized the armor for Rhodey. During the Battle of Sokovia, Rhodey basically turned into a flying artillery platform. For the first time, War Machine truly showed the overwhelming presence of a battlefield destroyer. Then came Captain America: Civil War, where the new War Machine Mark 003 made its appearance. Compared to the previous versions, this armor was clearly much bulkier. While the firepower was upgraded, the forearms were also equipped with a sonic cannon system. Not only could it disrupt enemies, but in critical moments, it could even force its way out of an encirclement. But that Civil War completely changed Rhodey. At the end of the battle, Vision accidentally struck the armor's core. War Machine instantly lost control. Rhodey fell from the sky, which ultimately left him paralyzed from the waist down. By the time Avengers: Infinity War happened, Rhodey was already able to move normally again with the help of an assistive device built by Tony. And in this generation of War Machine, the biggest change was the complete upgrade of the weapon system. A triple-barreled rotary rail cannon was added to the back of the armor. During the Battle of Wakanda, Rhodey unleashed full firepower. Countless shells poured down like rain, directly carpet-bombing Thanos' Outrider army. Finally, in Avengers: Endgame, War Machine reached its final form. This suit was once again renamed Iron Patriot 2.0, and the biggest change was the twin cannons mounted on its back. Compared to the early single-barrel weapons, both the suppression power and sustained fire output were on a completely different level.